So guys, now we are back on the road. Let's see. We are in Vagator and we don't know the places here.
And it's already dark.
Where should we go, Lisa?
I don't know.
We don't know anything here.
I
Let's
think
see.
we just go and see if there's something that looks nice, like a cool restaurant or something.
And fancy dinner was on her. You remember that I won that competition.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
No, it was fancy lunch.
We can have fancy dinner because we didn't have fancy lunch. So yeah, now we are going
What
for.
do you mean? Is dal with rice not fancy?
Dal and rice is not fancy in India. So guys, now I think I'll find a good fancy restaurant.
What's fancy for you?
Really nice beachside cafe and where we can have something. Where we
Yeah, I also want that.
where we can have something Italian or like pizza, pasta, risotto.
Italian is fancy.
Italian is fancy
Oh my
in
god,
India.
at home Italian is not fancy.
What's fancy in Germany? Yeah?
Like seafood.
I'm a vegetarian. So for me, fancy is paneer. Paneer butter masala. Food like these.
Paneer.
Yeah.
Wow, that's not fancy.
That's fancy.
Oh, we need like feta cheese. Feta cheese is my favorite cheese. With pine nuts and with honey, baked in the oven with walnuts. Guys, Goa has the perfect climate. I'm made for this weather. This is my comfort weather. The best comfortable weather. Haha. Okay, you said fancy dinner is on me. What if I told you that I didn't bring it back?
Huh?
I didn't bring it back.
So now we are having non-fancy dinner, guys. If it's not on you, it's not on me.
Why not?
It was your treat. And guys, I have one sad news for it's for me as well as for you.
Lame.
Guys,
Lame.
there's a sad news, I'll tell you.
Lame.
So we were planning to stay here more because of that hostel collab or something, but it was not working out. Lisa is thinking to go back somewhere in India. I can't reveal the place, but she might be leaving Goa tomorrow. So yeah, that's why I'm a little sad. You can see that from my face. You can see that from my face, right? Yeah. So that's why
All
I'm
these
sad.
dogs, I'm always scared that they
So
bite.
Lisa, you're leaving me alone in this cruel world, huh?
Yeah.
Lisa is going tomorrow, so this is our last night together. So we'll make it good. सही है भाई, जा रही है कल यार ये बढ़िया है, इसके अंदर कंटेंट बढ़िया शूट हो जाता है, मजा आता है, घूमते हैं फिरते हैं, मजे मारते हैं. बट
Oh my god,
अभी
a cow.
जा रही है अभी ये भाई, कोई नहीं. पता नहीं यार मेरे साथ पता क्या है, मैं इंसानों से ना बड़ा जल्दी कनेक्ट हो जाता हूँ. Can you make that sad face emoji? That's right. You see, that's why I like her.
Okay, I have a question, guys. Do I remind you of Jim Carrey?
Yeah.
Do I?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
मेरे को नहीं पता कौन है भाई, जिम कैरी कौन है भाई, मुझे ना पता भाई. अभी वो रेंटेड स्कूटी में तेल भी तो डलवाना होगा भाई, डलवा ले भाई. योर ही भाई रेंटेड स्कूटी भाई. ओ भाई. तो गाइस ठुल्ले खड़े थे, तुम्हारे भाई ने पहन लिया हेलमेट. अब चलते हैं. यहाँ के ठुल्ले बहुत गंदे हैं भाई, पकड़ लेते हैं, मतलब आपको पकड़ लेते हैं, आपका नहीं पकड़ लेते. तुम्हारी सोच गंदी है ना. वेरी गाइस चर्च यहाँ की, इसका क्या नाम है, माउंट मैरी चर्च. Oh, it's a marriage happening.
Oh my god, let's go to the marriage. Let's crash a marriage.
We can crash a marriage.
Yeah, let's fucking go.
चलो भाई देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है. ब्याह सा हो रहा है कोई. But I think you are overdressed for this wedding. I think so.
No, I'm dressed for the wedding.
Overdressed, that's what I'm saying. This seems boring. Yeah, let's go back. Yeah. चर्च बढ़िया है बट इवेंट बोरिंग है. चर्च अच्छी है. So guys, I won't say this is the best time to come to Goa because it's not crowded at all. What do you wanna say to them? Is it a good time to come here?
Depends on what you want. If you want very hot weather and tranquility and no one around you, that's perfect. If you want
See
crowded
the roads.
beaches, if you want party, then no, because it's not really happening.
And like most of the Indian guys come here for pretty girls. So what do you wanna say to them?
Hi.
Yeah? You won't find any pretty girl here, guys.
Ooh,
Yeah.
There's a lot of pretty girls here.
No, not right now. Guys, me and Liz are just friends. For your kind information, okay? Don't spread false rumors. Okay, guys.
Like how? Move, I'm scared.
भाई डरी रहती है भाई काव से. सुनसान रोड है भाई, बिल्कुल देख रहे हो, कुछ नहीं है भाई दूर दूर तक. So guys, guys, I can't digest the guys. Tell me one thing, I can't digest the fact. From tomorrow, I'll be alone in the scooty. She'll be gone.
Yeah.
I won't rent the scooty. I'll just walk.
Really?
Yeah, I was renting a scooty for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I'm a fitness freak, guys. You know that, right? And a money saver. Oh.
I'm also a fitness freak. No, I'm not.
She doesn't need to go to gym, guys. I'm telling you.
No, I go sometimes. Okay, guys, I want to sing a song to you. It's the national anthem of South Africa. It goes like this. Kosi sikaleli. Kosi sikaleli Afrika. Malupaga Yesu onuayo. Iswa imitanda soyetu. Kosi sikalela.
So, guys, we are in the middle of a road. There's nothing around.
Nothing.
कुछ भी नहीं है भाई यहाँ, पता नहीं 12 किलोमीटर.
Ocean.
ये समुंदर है भाई, और रोड पे तो कुछ है ही नहीं भाई, आगे पीछे कुछ भी नहीं है. I'm scared, Liz.
Yeah.
I'm really scared.
Yeah, me too. I don't even have anything. I have to trust you now. I don't have my phone. I don't have anything with me.
Oh. सही है भाई. आगे लाइटें चल रही हैं, चक्कर के आते हैं वो क्या बस.
Guys, as a German, it's really weird to keep seeing this.
Satya. For them it's Nazi.
Yeah, I know, but for me it's really weird. Every time I see it, I'm like shocked. Like, oh, what? Why do you put this on your house? And then I realized, oh, it's something else.
It's Indian thing.
Hitler stole it from you guys.
Oh भाई. I thought this was a cafe.
Can we go now?
अभी आगे घूम के आते फिर वापस आ जाएंगे. Kiki, do you love me? Na 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 na. And another one.
Now that the one dog tried to bite my leg, I'm always scared. Every time we go past a dog, and there's a dog like every 5 meters.
Kiki, do you love me? So guys, we are going in this cafe now.
Yeah, so here there's live music, and the one that first looked so nice, the crowd was really boring. So
Yeah.
here there's live music, and it looks really chill. We're doing proper kumbaya now. We're doing the hippie stuff of Goa.
Okay, it's a hippie cafe, guys. यहाँ पे सारे hippie आते हैं. आपको दिखा दें, आ जाओ. ये रहा भाई. So guys, we are in a cafe and they are playing live music. So you know, our Liz is a singer.
Yeah, I'm a singer.
So मैं उनसे जाके बात करता हूँ. She'll also sing in a while. After
Okay.
having food, she'll sing.
Maybe I will sing. I have to sing. Think about a song. I think about 3 songs, and then I give them options, and they can pick one that they can play. Tell me 3 things.
Huh?
You tell me 3 things.
3 things.
What are the 3 things that you like the most?
I like the most. Traveling. Traveling. I like making vlogs.
Yes, vlogs. Vlogs, traveling.
Vlogs, traveling. Third thing, क्या भाई?
What? Kawaii? What's kawaii?
I like doing this all day.
Oh, yeah, you do.
Guys, I just found one thing in a purse. You know what is this? Guess.
What is it? Oh,
What the fuck? What was this doing in your pocket, huh? You don't smoke, right? So what was it doing? भाई साहब बीड़ी बाड़ी पीती होगी. Cheers.
Cheers. Fly away all my zephyr. I feel it more than ever.
She knows who I am.
Me to the place I love. Take me all the way. I don't ever wanna be like I take.
अब भाई लीजा लीजा जा रही है पूछने कि मैं गा सकती हूँ क्या। अब ये गाएगी भाई। पूछ लिया ओ भाई अब गाएंगे हम बढ़िया, यहाँ से बैठ के देखेंगे भाई आगे वाली सीट। सही है भाई, इस लड़की का कॉन्फिडेंस देख रहे हो। रोक दिया भाई सिंगर को पूरे कैफे में, अकेली जाके बात कर रही है। दैट्स हाउ यू शुड बी गाइस, समझ रहे हो। Liz,
Yeah.
what's happening? What did they say?
We have to think about songs because he knows songs, I don't know them. I know songs, he doesn't know them. So
Oh.
yeah. Guys, I didn't end up singing. They only had songs like AC/DC, Black Sabbath, and like songs that are not really in my pitch. So
guys-
no singing, no gig.
So she was planning to sing. She was like, "Oh, I'll sing some songs." But the thing is,
I suggested so many songs, but they didn't know how to play any of them. I said I can do Queen, I can do Madonna, I can do Dire Straits,
मुझे ना समझ आ रहा भाई।
I can do
सिद्धू मूसेवाला।
Chili Peppers. Yeah, I said a lot.
So the thing was, जो गाने इसको आते थे वो उसको नहीं आते थे, जो गाने उसको आते थे वो इसको नहीं आते थे। So guys, it's just 9 and Goa is dead. See, we are the only ones who are roaming on the streets.
There's nobody here.
There's nobody, and this
What's going on? I thought this was a party place.
This was a-
Migrants parties until 8 in the morning.
I don't think so. Goa is a party place in November, December, and Jan. That's it.
So we're off season, wrong
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
But you know what? I'm happy like this. I don't need to party.
Ah. Guys, I'll show you the biggest club of Goa. Like it's Thalassa. It's like in front of me.
It's Monday, so maybe that's also why there's nothing going on.
We forgot, like it's not a weekend, right?
Yeah.
People party on weekends. So yeah, this is Thalassa, guys. This is the biggest party place in Goa.
The Greek Taverna.
Yeah.
No one's here.
No one's here.
No one. No one. No one. No one.
So guys, I have a shoot coming up. It's for a like underwear brand, and I'll tell you one thing. I
It's
just
the same as your outfit that you used to swim in the ocean.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll tell you one thing. They told me, Utkarsh, you should be lean when we are shooting you. So please don't eat pizza, pasta, risotto. And she was like, I want to have pizza.
You suggested pizza.
So I had pizza, guys. I had margarita. I had 4 slices of pizza. Now my abs will be gone.
Dude.
You are fucking with my work, you know? Yeah.
What type of work is this where you can't even eat pizza? 4 slices of pizza. It's not even a whole pizza. You had less than half a pizza. You had like a third of a pizza.
You can eat a whole pizza, huh?
Yeah, it's fine.
Just like
I want to drink sugarcane juice. Do you think we can find it still? No. Okay, tomorrow.
we are in the jungle, guys. In Vagator. And there's nothing.
There's so many dogs though. I'm scared.
Mandrim is far nicer than Vagator. Right?
Huh?
Mandrim, where we were staying last night, it's far better than this place.
Yeah, for sure. Guys, it's 9 p.m. and somebody was sitting there in the darkness getting a haircut. Welcome to India.
Welcome to India, guys. So guys, there's an event happening which we showed you before.
Can I have a beer and some random fucking Q&A with some like random ass background?
That's the same boring event, guys. So Liz, until we go to our hostel, tell me one thing.
Yeah.
What do you think about Delhi boys?
Delhi boys. Delhi boys are really emotional.
If you
You are very emotional, and apparently that's also cliche for Delhi boy.
it's cliche.
Yes.
Why?
I don't know why. Why are you emotional? You tell me. I have a question for you. Why are you emotional?
Emotional like yeah.
first?
We just show our emotional side to like very few people, you know. Yeah. Like difference between Bangalore boys and Delhi boys. You have seen both the boys.
Bangalore boys.
Yeah.
Oh, Bangalore boys, they like having startups, they like being into tech.
Okay.
They like drinking a lot. They're foodies as well.
And Delhi boys,
Delhi boys, not.
they are like Bangalore guys are into tech. Delhi boys are into.
I mean, you're the only Delhi boy I know. You are into vlogging and into modeling.
So Delhi boys are a bit cooler than Bangalore boys. Okay.
Is that cooler?
Yeah.
Is vlogging and modeling cooler than being into tech?
I think so.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Is it? I don't know. Yeah, what do you think?
Guys, I'm leaving tomorrow morning and my phone has no battery and I have no charger. I forgot it.
भाई बहुत डेयरिंग है इन पे मिलेगा नहीं चार्जर बट पूछ लेता हूँ सो ओके गाइस दिस वाज इट फॉर दिस व्लॉग होप टू सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन टिल देन टेक केयर मजा लेते रहो एक ज़िंदगी है तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार करता है तुम्हारे घर वाले और तुम्हारा भाई वो अपने डोम में जाके सो चुके हैं हम भी सो जाते हैं भाई ओके गाइस बाय